So I want to talk about tech. Tech. Where can I get a better angle this side? I think maybe here is fine. Here, yeah, even better. Make sure you subscribe. Look, I'm going to talk about tech. Yeah, I need to get that Killmonger hair fixed proper. You know, and then get the beard trimmed right. But like in politics, you always hear one of the major concerns is like jobs. But it's funny how none of these politicians at the moment they're talking about getting rid of tech that's really threatening people's jobs. Like I'm seeing a lot of people like applaud Tesla, like, oh, Tesla is a genius, is this, that. But the funny thing is that Tesla is working on technology that's really going to like wipe out people's jobs. If Tesla's technology works, I'm telling you, Uber is gonna be dead. Uber drivers, Uber might still be running with their self-driven cars, but Uber drivers are dead. Truck drivers are dead. You understand where I'm coming from? Like, I'm seeing it this way. The way so many politicians are quiet about it, they must be getting paid. Because every time you look at politicians, well, one of the major things they talk about is, yeah, we're going to create jobs, blah, blah, blah. Our political party is going to create jobs, yada, yada, yada. But why are they so quiet about AIs that are replacing people? Robots that are replacing people. The supermarket here in my area, they used to have like 20 tills, right? With 20 employees working there. Now, the ones that are about 10 that are automated. 10, they're about 13. No, they're about 15 that are automated now. You understand? They're about 15 that are automated. My friend's mom used to work there. I have not seen it there, that supermarket, in ages. Since they, put their AIs to work. Like, people laugh about, oh, this AI technology. Like, they think it's supposed to be like iRobot. It's basic. What an employee has to do half of the time are basic set of things. You understand? Basic sets of action. Which you can make a program, put this bolt here, move it into this box, and then you can have another robot, a robot arm, move this box and put it into that truck. Then that truck will self-drive itself to Manchester or Leeds or London. You understand? And people are not seeing this shit. And I'm just like, like real estate is probably like one of those businesses that cannot be threatened by like AIs and robots. Fair enough. But some of these businesses where you have, like supermarkets, manufacturing, be it it's phones, it's cars, it's TVs, smart gadgets, whatever, furniture. One human company can probably make 10 coffee tables, let's say, in a day. For a machine, toilet, no. Lunch break, no. Pension, no. Maternity leave, no. Union, no. Complaints against that boss, no. Sexual harassment against that boss, no. You can clearly see why a business owner would go for this tag. You understand? Like, you look at most people that are advertising right now, they'll rather advertise online. You understand? Like, at the moment, like, depending on where you are, gone are like the days where you have people that go around dropping leaflets and whatnot. Because online you can almost laser target exactly which demographic you want to hit, the age, how much they earn, their race, their religion. You can pinpoint it, to a T. Like you're sending a laser from Darth Vader's palace, into Skywalker. What's that other nigga from Star Wars, man? Yeah, into that guy's house, the other guy with the blue or red saber. But that's my point. It's too accurate. It's a threat to human society, but people are not seeing it. But me, it's making the hair on my head stand. Let me try to get that Killmonger hair standing right, man. I think I'm halfway-ish there, but people are not seeing where this tech is going. You understand? They're not seeing it. They are really not seeing it, and the politicians are dead ass quiet. And I'm just thinking, shit. Holy shit. They're not seeing it. 5-10 years from now, it's gonna hit them. Especially like here in the UK, Brexit thing is, it's all up in smokes, right? Then you're gonna have these machines taking jobs. The people that own these companies, you know what they're gonna do? They'll just pay politicians that push policies, that push these laws to say, you know what? Keep it like that. Until maybe when people start to riot, then we'll give them some nibble. Even when people start to riot, the rioting leaders, they'll give them something and blackmail them, and then it will be 30, 40, 20, 60 years. That's when people will be like, you know what, it's all or nothing. Or they'll be so numbed down and used to that system where they have nothing, it will become the norm. Because that's the thing about the human body and the human mind. Its power is its greatest weakness, and that's adaptation. We can adapt to bullshit as much as we can adapt to greatness. Remember that, okay? I tried to fix my hair. We can adapt to BS as much as we can adapt to greatness. This is why you see, like, in some corrupt countries, they have been corrupt. Dead as corrupt. No roads, no clean water for fucking centuries. Decade after decade, politician after politician.